Hello boys and girls, we are on Skills Lesson 3. Today we are going to be reviewing the sound, spelled with O-U and O-E. We are also going to be reading a story in our little reader called The Thief, and you will be able to identify adjectives and nouns. Okay, looking at our first box, what do you notice about the words? Think of the sound that we have been learning and think of the letters that we have been learning. Okay, they all have that O-E in it. And that O-E work together to make what? Sound. Very good, that sound. Okay, let's go ahead and read the words together. Number 1, none. Number 2, shove. Number 3, glove. Number 4, done. Number 5, some. And number 6, come. Okay, let's go on to our next box of words. What do you notice about these words? Yes, they all have O-U, and that O-U makes the sound. Number 1, country. Number 2, young. Number 3, Doug. Number 4, cousins. Okay, let's go ahead and go on into our workbook. It's okay, I know you don't have your workbook right now. You can go ahead and write the words on a sheet of paper if you need to, or if it's printed out for you, great. Let's go ahead and read the directions first. Have students read the words in the box aloud. Students should write the best word from the box to complete the sentence. Okay, let's go ahead and read the words together in the box. Younger, gloves. None, enormous. Welcome, touched. I'm going to go ahead and read number 1 and see what word best fits. Let's do it together. Is your sister older or blank than you? Which word best fits in that sentence? What do you think? I think it is younger. Is your sister older or younger than you? That word makes sense. I'm going to cross that word off because I used it, and I'm going to complete the rest. Okay, go ahead and complete numbers 2 through 6. And then when you're finished, you write 2 sentences using 2 of the words from the box. They have to be new sentences. You can't use the ones from above. So for example, I would pick the word gloves. I need my gloves when it's cold out. That is my sentence. Okay, don't forget punctuation. Don't forget finger spaces. Write nice and neat. When you're finished with that page, go on to the next page. Do page 12. Okay, it is the same thing. Go ahead and read the words in the box and then write the sentences. And you can pause this video because the next step is going into our little reader. Okay. Our little reader today is called The Thief. Please make, oh, that is not the right picture. I'm going to use my table of contents to find chapter 2, page 14. Make a prediction. What do you think this story is going to be about? Okay, let's review some of the words that you are going to see in today's read aloud. First column with O-E. We have love and none. That O-E is making the sound. Next column, we have O-U. And that O-U is making the sound. Country, young, and could. We also have the O column. That O making the sound. Agony and gallop. And we have something called compound words. Those are two words made into one word. Bedroom, bedroom. Horseback, horseback. Sunrise, sunrise. Okay? Go back to our little reader. I'm going to introduce the vocabulary words. You can go ahead and close your eyes if you'd like. First word is agony. That's intense pain or suffering. After her arm was broken, the girl was in agony. Herring. That is a salty fish. My mother likes to eat herring for dinner. Next word is summoned. That is sent for. The queen summoned a group of knights to the palace. Mounted is your next word. That means to climb up something. The knight mounted his horse and began riding away. So climbed up into something, excuse me. Okay, while you read through this story, I would like you to look for any adjectives in your story. What are adjectives again? They're describing words. They describe a noun or a pronoun. Okay, when you are finished reading through this story, you're going to answer questions. Okay, back to your workbook. On page 15 and 16, you are going to answer those questions. Okay, that is it for today. Please let me know if you have any questions. I can be contacted right on Dojo. Okay, have a good day.